Hey everybody, Nick here, also known as the Bearded Housewife, and welcome to another card making video. Today I have a really fun box card for you. This is my barbecue grill box card. I just love it so much. I love the colored little temperature dials there in the front, the hamburger and the hot dog, and the utensils there in the back. It folds nice and flat for mailing, and then your messaging panel is there on the back. I also include an envelope with this file. It's super simple to put together, so I can't wait to show it to you. Before we get started, make sure to hit like and smash that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any card making fun. And with that, let's get to it. Step 1. Get the free SVG cut file. At my blog, we're going to head to the Resource Library tab. If you don't have access to my free file library, you can click Get Access. You'll fill out a form and then be emailed the password. But for now, we're going to head to Enter the Library. Go ahead and type in the password and hit Enter. And then you're brought to all the free files. For this project, you're going to want to look for number 131, the barbecue grill box card. Go ahead and click that hyperlink and download the file onto your computer. Make sure to unzip the file, and then we can go ahead and open up Cricut Design Space. Step 2. Upload the design to Cricut Design Space. Now that we're in a new project in Cricut Design Space, we can head to Upload, Upload Image, and Browse. We're going to find where we downloaded the file onto our computer and click Open and Upload. Then highlight the image and click Add to Canvas. Step 3. Convert score lines. Now that the file's been brought into our canvas, we can go ahead and ungroup the design. We're going to need to convert some of these score lines, so we need to scroll down the Layers panel and find the envelope. We're going to highlight the score line, come up to the Operation menu and change that to Score, highlight the group, and click Attach. Now we need to do that for a few pieces for the box, and then these are the two inside pieces. So we're going to scroll down the Layers panel again, click on the score line, convert that to Score, highlight the group and attach, highlight the score line, change that to Score, highlight the group and attach. We've got two more to do here. So altogether, the pieces that you need to convert the score lines for will be the envelope, the front and the back pieces of the box, and then the two inside pieces of the box. Once you have all of those score lines converted, you can head up to Make It. I'm going to select On the Mat. You'll see the different mats for this card. Go ahead and click Continue. And I'm using a variety of medium cardstock, so I'm going to select that. I'm going to go ahead and get everything cut out, and I will see you when it's time to assemble. Step 4. Cut out the design. Step 5. Assemble your card. Okay, now that everything has been cut out, it's time to go ahead and start to assemble. The first thing that I'm going to do is layer all of our different embellishments. I have included a layering guide within the download that will help you be more of a visual aid for how to layer all these pieces together. So I'm going to go ahead and speed up the video just a little bit while I glue everything down. Now I'm going to go ahead and mat and layer the messaging panel. Okay, so now that we have all of our embellishments layered together, we can go ahead and start to assemble the box itself. So this piece right here is the back, and then this piece is the front. So to fold the box, you're going to hold the front piece with the tab at the top, and you're going to fold both of those score lines as mountain folds. Go ahead and give those a burnish. And then the back piece you're going to rotate so that the lid is facing to the right, and then you're going to fold both of those score lines as valley folds. Go ahead and burnish those. And now to assemble the box, I'm going to add my glue on this tab right here. And then attach my front piece, making sure to line up my edges, both at the top and, both at the bottom and the left. And now to close the box, just add glue to the other tab. And then you'll be able to just fold over the back piece. Go ahead and fold the card in both directions just to make sure that everything is sitting the way that we want it to. All right, and there is our box. Now we can go ahead and add the little embellishment for the lid and then the grill that goes on the back. While we have the card folded flat, we might as well go ahead and add our doors and then our little dials for the grill. Just place these on the front. Go ahead and make sure that they are nice and centered. Okay, so there we go. Go ahead and flip the card over and add your messaging panel. We can set that to the side. We're going to go ahead and add our embellishments to the inside pieces. So all you're going to do is you're just going to take your little embellishments and add them to their corresponding spot on the inside pieces. Alright, there we go. We have our inside pieces all layered together. Now we can go ahead and fold these pieces. The inside piece that has the utensils, go ahead and rotate so that the utensils are on the right and fold those score lines as mountain folds. And give that a burnish. Set that to the side for just a minute. And now the piece with the hot dog and the hamburger, go ahead and fold those as valley folds. And give those tabs a burnish. I'm going to go ahead and start with the hamburger piece. So I'm going to add glue to the outside tabs. Take our box and we're going to insert this piece into our box Making sure to line up the edges here. You're going to want to make sure to butt the front of those tabs up with the front of the card. Flip it over and just make sure that we are good to go there. Give the card a fold just to make sure that it sits the way we want it to. Okay, there we go. There's our front piece. And now for the utensils, we'll just add the glue to the outside tabs again. And then we're going to place this into the box, making sure the tabs line up with the back of the card. Go ahead and fold the card flat to make sure that everything sits the way we want it to. And there we go. Now both pieces are inside our box and our card is all done. Let's go ahead and set that to the side and I'll show you how to make the envelope. For the envelope, just go ahead and fold and burnish along the score lines. We're going to add glue along the outer edge of the inlay panel and then add that to the inside of the envelope, making sure to cover up the cutout. Rotate the envelope, fold those side flaps in, add glue along the bottom of the side flaps, and then with your thumbs go ahead and push up and then press down, and now your envelope is all complete. Such a cute card. How cute is this card? It's super simple to put together, and like I said, make sure to check out that layering guide to help you with those little pieces. I think that this would make a great Father's Day or summer barbecue or even birthday card for your favorite griller. I hope that you like this video and I hope that you make it. If you do make it, make sure to post it in our Facebook group. We have thousands of friends within that group that love to support and motivate each other, so make sure that you check us out. There's a link down in the description below. Until next time, I'm Nick, I'm the Bearded Housewife, and I will see you at the next card making video. Bye.